One such algorithm I actually ran into. So IIT Pal profs, I think from Delhi, they were teaching mathematics, and somewhere in between they said, we are introducing a new topic here, a new algorithm, which is not covered in traditional JEE syllabus, not by NCRT. It is called Pigeonhole. Pigeonhole.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir.
I was wondering where is it used and why would they have introduced that?
Yeah, sir, Pigeonhole is not mentioned in the JEE Advanced syllabus also, but its applications are used in PNC. So they are just teaching it indirectly, because there are many areas in mathematics whose means, for example, the students who have prepared for Olympiad, for example, RMO, INMO, they always have an edge over other students. For example, in geometry, RMO, there is a very quite need. And in coordinate, geometry is all based about formulas. But geometry is about very different theorems that make the problems of the coordinate geometry quite easy.
Actually, this was somebody else who was telling me. This guy was studying, I think he joined Facebook finally. So this guy was from Rendra Swarup only in Kanpur, and he was actually from chemical. And he took then MTech in computer science, and he was telling me this thing. He said his teachers explained something in coordinate geometry, and using that, actually it was a result of a question which had come. So it was sort of a theorem, in a question it had come, prove this theorem. So they said that they took that theorem itself and said that if this is true in the question, you just proved it, why don't you use this to solve other problems? And he said applying that particular theorem, other problems start becoming much easier.
Yes. This you will get only from exam analysis. For example, some students just give the exam, they calculate their score, they ask they ask their friends how much they have scored, and done. Then they start attempting the next paper. But if you analyze the exam, you will get these things. Because while we are, for example, while we are solving the exam, we do not care. We do not actually much care about what new thing we have learned. The new thing that we will learn only from exam analysis only.
And did you prepare for RMO and EMO?
Yes, sir. I have prepared for RMO also. I have I have qualified pre-RMO. I have not qualified pre-RMO.
Great, very nice.